Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you another airdrop that can potentially make you money. Name is Beta Airdrop. Okay, so if you take it seriously, hopefully you will get something. But this is airdrop. If that's distribute money, you'll get a lot of. Okay, but I would say do your best, do multiple, but not doing in on device errors because of it tracks IP. So therefore try to hide your IP if you want to do multiple account, but you can just I will encourage you doing one account and that's it. Okay, so let's dive in the airdrop. Okay,
All right, everybody. So beta airdrop, it's for Android user, iOS user, whatever you use to. Okay. So how do you do it? So simply download these apps and go through your email, and then when signing up, instantly you receive 200 coin bonus. So let's say majority people is using Google Play Store. Download these apps and open it up. While you open it up, this page would look like this, same look like. So continue with email or continue with Gmail. So I will continue with Gmail because of it doesn't require any password. I can show you entirely how the login process would be. So it is being opening up. It is it is just loading. Okay, just wait a minute. I'm just so use this referral code. Okay, use this code and click the continue. Put your username. Okay, I'm putting my username in here. You probably if you noticed in here, and it is loading. Continue, click on there. Global sensory. Our mission is to map global noise levels and return data ownerships to you. Start now. So well, I'm just clicking on here. Commit to protecting your data. You need to click. Never do multiple account. This okay, because of it is tracking everything, your location, your IP, everything. Straight measurement, you can do all sort of. Okay, so there's a lot of tasks in here. Menu check-in, you can check daily. Start active mode. Okay, and so 200 points you get. You can explore it and see the post. Okay, sign up, 200 points, that's it. Nothing need. We are nothing need nothing need now, because it is everything. Okay, so probably it makes sense. You if you don't know how to participate in here, you definitely comment for getting the solution. Okay, if that video slightly help you, please do consider to subscribe and click the like button. Okay, so it will be so much helpful. Okay,